Y'all, in this video we're going to talk about reading a number line. Okay, so we have an example here and it says on the number line below the arrow is pointing to a number that is the closest to which of the following, and we have multiple choice here. Okay, let's talk about how a number line works before we think about the answer. So notice that on both sides of 0, as I go further and further out to the right, the numbers get bigger and bigger. Similarly, as I go farther and farther to the left of 0, the numbers are actually getting smaller and smaller, even though the further left I go, the absolute value of those numbers is getting bigger. Okay, so again, notice that as I go further away from 0, those actual digits are getting bigger in both directions. So sometimes we write really far to the right on the number line, this is positive infinity. And then really far to the left, we call that negative infinity because it goes on and on and on forever. Okay, now let's answer the question. So looking at my number line, my arrow, I'm looking at this arrow right here. Okay, I notice that it's to the left of -1, but to the right of this tick mark. So this appears to be halfway between -2 and -1, so that must be -1.5. Okay, so notice that the arrow is closer to -1.5 than it is -1. So that tells me that our answer here is C, -1.5.